Home buyers continue to compete for properties across the Metro Vancouver housing market. There were 4,400 homes sold on the MLS in the region last month. This is 28% above the 10-year June sales average, and it ranks as the highest selling June on record. On the supply side, there were 5,875 new listings last month, which is up 1% from last year. All totaled, there are 7,812 homes currently listed for sale on our MLS today. This is down 35% compared to June 2015 and is up 1% from last month. While we're starting to see more properties coming onto the market in recent months, the imbalance between supply and demand continues to influence market conditions. The benchmark price for all residential properties rose to $917,000. That's a 32% increase over last year. At 38%, detached homes have seen the largest increase over this period, while condos and townhomes have increased about 25% and 28%. To help us better understand the strength of today's market, we measure home buyer demand, fueled by home sales, against home seller supply, fueled by the number of home listings. This measurement today gives us a sales to active listing ratio of 56.3%, which is below the 61.7% ratio in May. This is still reflective of a clear seller's market. Generally, analysts say that downward pressure on home prices occurs when the ratio dips below the 12% mark, while home prices often experience upward pressure when it reaches 20% in a particular community for a sustained period of time. This brings us to this month's Realtor View segment. This month we're looking at home seller supply. We've experienced intense demand for homes across Metro Vancouver over the past year and a half. Throughout this period, the supply of home listings has struggled to meet this demand. The volume of listings entering the market has, however, begun to increase in recent months. You can see here that we've had almost 6,000 listings added to the market each month over this period. While we can't predict the future, we know that sustained increases in supply can have a moderating effect on demand pressures within a housing market. We'll watch with interest next month to see if this trend continues. For further housing market information, go to the News and Stats section of this website. For the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, I'm Dan Morrison.